This next video covers order of operations with integers and exponents. Again, order of operations are the way we go about simplifying expressions and solving equations. I've discussed this in quite a few videos, so I'm just going to go over briefly the one I like, ignoring PEMDAS this time, because PEMDAS leads to people to fighting on the internet, and I'm all about, world peace. So we've got grouping, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. The key part for GEMS and order of operations is to remember that multiplication and division are equivalent. So you need to do them at the same time. They're like opposites of each other. The same is true for addition and subtraction. So I'm Team GEMS. Feel free to use PEMDAS if that's what you're accustomed to, but you do need to remember that it's multiplication and division from left to right and addition and subtraction from left to right. So let's do a couple examples. So always what we want to do is do the operation inside the parentheses first, right? We need to simplify our grouping symbols, our exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, followed by addition and subtraction from left to right. So with example 1, the first thing I want to do is I want to simplify what's inside my parentheses. So I have 1 minus a negative 2. That becomes a negative 1 cubed plus, now I have negative 1 times 3. That becomes a negative 3 cubed. Now I deal with my exponents. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1, so I have a negative of negative 1, plus negative 3 cubed, which is negative 27. Two negatives give us a positive, so I have 1 minus 27, which would be a negative 26. For this second example, again, we look to simplify what's inside our parentheses. This is fully simplified, but I can simplify this. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is a positive 2. So I have 2 cubed plus negative 2 cubed, 2 minus. Okay, so now I have 2 minus. I have to take care of my exponents. That's the second thing. Negative 2 cubed is a negative 8. 2 cubed is a positive 8. But now I have 2 minus a negative 8. So that's going to become a positive. So I have 2 plus 8, which would give us a positive 18.